This is a very gentle morning stretch routine for seniors. It can be done by anybody who wants to improve their flexibility and have better joint health. The pace is slow and controlled, and the movements are very, very gentle. You don't need to go into any pain at all. If you have any limitations or injuries, make sure you watch the video all the way through so you can learn some modifications that can help you out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we provide exercises and workout routines for healthy aging. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you can get healthy and stay healthy. This video is part of our 5-minute senior fitness series, so click on the link in the description below if you want to check out the rest of the workouts in this series. Today we are going to start in a seated position and slowly work our way into some standing stretches. Alright, so from this seated position, I'm going to come to the edge of my seat and lean forward as far as I can, keeping my back nice and straight and flat. Inhale and exhale. Relax into this stretch here. And after a few seconds, I'm going to place my hands on my legs and stand up very slowly. Try not to pull anything. And once I'm up, I'll take a couple of steps forward. And now I can hinge at my hips by dropping my butt back towards the ground, while I keep my back nice and flat. Relax into this stretch here and try not to hold your breath. Breathe nice and slowly. Alright, next we're going to bring our arms overhead and reach for the sky. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to hinge at our hips again by dropping that butt back towards the ground. If you're not able to hinge at your hips, you can do this next part while staying seated. So we're going to reach forward towards our toes, keeping our back nice and flat and straight. If you're able to stand, go ahead and stand up and hinge at those hips by dropping that butt back towards the ground. Inhale and exhale, relaxed into this stretch. Arms are still overhead. Try not to pull anything. Alright, next we're going to bring our hands towards our ankle and flex that foot up. Now, we're going to bend that knee and bring it towards the ground. If you're not able to bend that knee, you can always use your hands for support and do this next part while sitting down. Okay, so now we're going to bring our foot towards our head and reach forward towards our ankle. If you're seated, go ahead and use your hands for support and just try to touch your foot as best as you can. If you're standing, go ahead and sit back on your heels and try to touch your foot towards the ground. Inhale and exhale. Relax into this stretch. Alright. Next, we're going to straighten that leg out and extend it forward. We're going to bring our hands towards our toes, and we're going to flop over towards that extended leg as far as we can. If you're not able to flop down towards the ground, that's okay. You can stay right here and just reach forward. But if you are able to go down, go ahead and relax into this stretch. And just to remind everybody, if you're having any pain at all, stop what you're doing and consult your physician before continuing. Okay. Now we're going to bring our hands towards our ankle on that same side, and we're going to flex that foot up. Now we're going to bring our knee towards the ground and extend that leg out in front of us. If you're not able to extend that leg, that's okay. You can do this next part while sitting down. So now we're going to bring our foot towards our head and reach forward towards that ankle. If you're seated, go ahead and use your hands for support and just try to touch your foot as best as you can. If you're standing, go ahead and sit back on your heels and try to touch your foot towards the ground. Inhale and exhale. Relax into this stretch. Alright. Now we're going to straighten that leg out and extend it forward. Now we're going to hinge at our hips by dropping our butt back towards the ground. If you're not able to hinge at your hips, you can always do this next part while sitting. So now we're going to reach forward towards our toes. If you're standing, go ahead and stand up and hinge at those hips by dropping that butt back towards the ground. Inhale and exhale. Relax into this stretch. Arms are still extended forward. Try not to pull anything. So remember, friends, as we get older, we lose muscle mass, we lose flexibility, and we need to incorporate movement into our daily routines in order to stay limber and keep our joints moving. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated on all of our new releases. I look forward to seeing you in our next video.